If you're renting a home or apartment, you might think your belongings are automatically protected, but that's actually not the case. While your landlord's insurance covers the building itself, your personal property and liability are entirely your responsibility. And the numbers show why renter's insurance is definitely worth considering. The average renter owns around $20,000 worth of personal property, yet many don't have the coverage for it. Only about 55% of renters in the US actually have insurance, which leaves millions financially exposed. Fire, theft, and water damage are among the most common claims, and unexpected events like a guest getting injured in your space could leave you liable for costly medical bills. And that's where renter's insurance comes in. It's an easy and affordable way to protect your things and give yourself a peace of mind. But many people aren't sure what it actually covers or if they even need it. So in this video, I'm going to break down how renter's insurance works, what it includes, and whether it's a good option for you. And I'm going to recommend our personal favorite option for you. So by the end, you'll know exactly what to consider before getting a policy and whether it fits your needs. Let's get into it. So what is renter's insurance? Renter's insurance is a type of policy designed to protect your personal belongings, liability, and living expenses in case something unexpected happens. While your landlord's insurance covers the physical building, it does not cover your personal property inside your unit. That means if there's a fire, theft, or water damage, you would be responsible for replacing everything out of pocket unless you have renter's insurance. A standard renter's insurance policy typically covers three main areas: personal property, which covers the cost of replacing your belongings if they're damaged or stolen; liability protection, which helps pay for legal and medical expenses if someone gets hurt in your home; additional living expenses, which pays for hotel stays or temporary housing if your rental becomes unlivable due to a covered event. Renter's insurance is usually very affordable, which makes it a very smart investment for protecting your belongings and financial well-being. Now, I wanted to talk about the key features of one that we highly recommend, which is Lemonade Renter's Insurance. So first off, Lemonade is affordable and it has customizable coverage for renter's insurance. So Lemonade offers some of the cheapest renter's insurance policies with prices starting at just a few dollars per month. You can customize your coverage by choosing your deductible, personal property limit, and liability protection level. The ability to adjust these options means you can control your monthly premium while still getting the protection you need. Next is the fast and easy online sign up. Unlike traditional insurance providers that require long phone calls and paperwork, Lemonade allows you to sign up in minutes through their website or mobile app. You answer a quick few questions, choose your coverage, and your policy is activated almost immediately. If you want to check them out yourself, what you want to do is click the link in the description below, and we'll go ahead and click check our prices. We'll go ahead and click nope, we don't have one, and then we'll go ahead and click renter's insurance. You'll want to add your first and last name, and then you'll want to add where you live. So go ahead and click next. And if you want to bundle it, you can save some money, but we'll say remind me later. Do we have any of these? We have a fire alarm. And then do you share your home with any of the following: roommates, just a partner, and a dog? So make sure you're selecting accurately. Golden retriever. Have any of your dogs ever bitten or attacked anyone? Nope. Do you own any valuable jewelry like cameras, bikes, fine art? Yes. Do you currently have an active renter's insurance policy? Nope. Okay, so now to get the quote, you would just type in your email address and birth date, and it will get sent directly to your email. So since it does depend on all those questions we answered, like if you have a dog or what type of valuables you have, it is going to depend based on all of those questions that you answered. So it's very, very easy to get signed up. And again, that link is in the description below. One of Lemonade's biggest selling points is the AI-driven claims process. Many smaller claims are approved and paid out within minutes, making it one of the fastest insurance options available. For larger claims, Lemonade's team manually reviews them, but even these are processed faster than traditional insurers. Next is the liability protection. So if someone gets injured in your apartment, you could be held responsible for medical bills and legal fees. Lemonade's renter's insurance includes liability coverage, which can help protect you if an accident happens in your home. For example, if a visitor slips and falls or your dog bites someone, liability insurance can cover the cost of their medical care and any legal expenses that might follow. Next is the additional living expense. So if your rental becomes uninhabitable due to a fire, water damage, or another covered event, Lemonade's policy helps cover temporary housing costs, hotel stays, food, and other living expenses until you can actually move back in. This can be a huge financial relief, especially if you live in an expensive area where short-term rentals or hotel stays can add up quickly. Lastly is the Give Back program. Unlike traditional insurance companies, Lemonade operates on a unique model where it donates unclaimed premiums to charities chosen by policyholders. So instead of keeping leftover money as profit, they actually allocate the funds to causes like housing assistance, environmental protection, and social justice programs. Now that we've covered the key features, let's let's talk a little bit about pricing again. The final price of your policy does depend on multiple factors, like the amount of personal property coverage you select, your deductible amount, which lower deductibles increase your premium, your location and risk factors like crime rates, natural disasters, etc. But again, for an exact quote, you want to follow what I showed you on the screen to get a quote, answer all of the questions, and it's super simple to get that quote directly to your email. Okay, so now let's go over some of the pros and cons of Lemonade Renters Insurance. Starting off with the pros. One of the biggest advantages of Lemonade Renters Insurance is the affordability. Prices start at just a few dollars a month, making it one of the cheapest options on the market. The sign-up process is insanely fast with policies activated in minutes. This makes Lemonade a great option for anyone who wants instant coverage without the hassle of dealing with traditional insurers. The AI-powered claims system is another standout feature. Many claims are processed and paid out almost instantly, which is so much faster than competitors that take days or weeks to approve reimbursements. The customizable coverage is also a huge benefit. You can adjust your personal property coverage, liability limits, and deductible to fit your budget and needs. And another pro is the unique feature of the Give Back program, which again donates money to charities. Now, some of the cons. So while Lemonade has a lot of positives, there are some downsides to consider. One of the biggest drawbacks is that it is not available in every state, so you want to make sure to check that you are covered there. Another limitation is that Lemonade doesn't offer as many add-on options as some competitors. If you need coverage for high-value items like jewelry, art, or electronics, you may need to purchase extra coverage or look at other insurers. Additionally, some claims will require manual review, which means not all claims will be approved instantly. If you have a more complex or expensive claim, you may still have to go through a longer claims process. So, is Lemonade Renters Insurance right for you? It really does stand out as one of the best options for renters who want affordable, easy-to-use insurance with a fast claims process. It's designed for those who want quick and hassle-free protection without the complicated paperwork. However, if you need extra coverage for valuable items or live in a state where Lemonade isn't available, you may want to compare it with other providers before making a decision. If you want to explore Lemonade Renters Insurance further, that link is in the description below. That wraps up this breakdown of what renters insurance and our personal favorite, which is Lemonade. If you've used it before, I'd love to hear your personal thoughts in the comments below. And if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions you have below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you make informed decisions about insurance. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.